Good afternoon, everyone. Chris Allen here with your Thursday weather blast on the Cinco de Mayo, May 5th, 2011. And a few suggestions came in yesterday from some of the feedback off of my very first weather blast, and they were good suggestions, and a lot of you gave me some good feedback. One suggestion was, if you're going to call it the weather blast, keep it short and sweet. I know yesterday was too long. It was the first one. I was just trying to establish what we're trying to do. So keep this one short. So let's get to it. A delightful day here in South Central Kentucky. Plenty of sunshine for this Thursday, and it looks like, though, clouds are starting to roll in, and we may see some shower activity late tonight, early tomorrow morning, but it's not going to amount to very much. Let's get to the maps and show. Before we go to that, let me show you the first graphic here. This is the Science Club at Richardsville Elementary. I was out there this afternoon. Brand new school, of course. Richardsville Elementary. They tore the old building down. It had been there for many years, and have built a brand new, very efficient school. It's beautiful. And I was able to talk to the Science Club there at Richardsville Elementary this afternoon about severe weather, and it was a good time. Thanks to all the bunch there at Richardsville. Now let's take a look at mesonet temps as of 4:15 or so this afternoon. A little bit before that, actually, is when some of these came down, a little after 3:30. And everybody's seeing 60s this afternoon, close to 70 degrees. I wouldn't doubt before the day is over, a couple of places would see 70 degrees. Here is the U.S. view, and as you can see, we've got that next cold front making its way into the area already. St. Louis getting some showers, some thunderstorms as you head a little bit further north of that area, but nothing severe, and no severe weather is expected. That's the front that's going to come in late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and bring us a chance of rain. So here's a look at the surface map as of 1 a.m. That's 6Z. The surface map tomorrow morning showing the rain just about approaching the Bowling Green area. I think sometime after 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, we'll begin to see some showers here. Maybe even a rumble of thunder, but we're not, again, expecting anything severe. As we go into 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, 18Z, there's your forecast map showing that really that cold front breaking down and just to a trough. It actually is going to weaken as it runs into that high pressure ridge, which has been over our area yesterday and today. So not a very strong system. That's why we're not real concerned about it. Now, as we get into Saturday, here's the Saturday morning map, 7 o'clock, that's 12Z. We're showing the next system trying to work its way into the Ohio Valley. That one has maybe just a little bit more rain with it and maybe a few more thunderstorms. And, of course, Saturday, it's Derby Day. We're going to see what happens there. But the timing of this could be critical as to what happens at Churchill Downs on Saturday. So we'll see what happens. Speaking of amount of rain, this is the QPF chart. This is for Saturday through Saturday night, between now and Saturday night. And as you can see over Kentucky, we're looking at, anywhere from a quarter inch to a half inch total rainfall between tonight's cold front and the one coming in on Saturday. So even total, a quarter inch, half inch, that's not much. And as far as the severe weather threat, there is none. No severe weather threat with either of these fronts as they come through. In fact, let's take a look at the severe weather chart. This is the actual 4 to 8 day outlook as we go extended beyond the period. And as you can see, nothing over our area even close. The nearest severe weather threat is going to be Kansas, Oklahoma, down to Texas as we get into the next couple of days and into the weekend. But nothing for us here in South Central Kentucky. If you're headed up to Churchill Downs for the Oaks, of course, today the Pegasus Parade, the Oaks take place tomorrow. And there you see, there is that chance of a scattered shower or a thunderstorm, but maybe this front will be on out of here by that time, tomorrow afternoon and evening, and temperatures will be in upper 60s to the low 70s. Just be prepared for a shower just in case. Okay, that's short, that's sweet. Hopefully that's short and sweet enough and covered all the bases. Shane will have the latest tonight, 5, 6, and 10. Of course, I'll have my podcast update tomorrow morning by 4:30. Weather shouts anytime something new develops, and, of course, my blog and emails and Facebook and Twitter. Thank you so much for following along with all that. Remember, know the weather before it knows you. I'm Chris Allen. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the morning.